तेरे अंदर तेरी मंजिल, तेरे अंदर तेरे रास्ते, तेरी किस्मत तेरे हाथों, चुन ले अपना सफर सफर। तेरा हुनर हुनर, तेरी कदर कदर, 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 तेरा हुनर हुनर, तेरी कदर कदर। रात की मेहनत रंग लाएगी, अब सुबह पे हक जता ले, अंधेरों से बढ़कर।
India as a country, in terms of the demographic profile, is one of the youngest countries in the world, and it's likely to be so for the foreseeable future, at least up to 2040. By 2025, we are likely to exceed the population of the world, namely China, and will be the largest populated nation. It's absolutely important skilling our youth for the future, and their ability to participate in all aspects of our growth is very necessary. When we talk about a skill, we essentially mean ability to work in a trade. Examples could be carpentry, masonry, welding, plumbing, electrician, maintenance of farming equipment, service industry, BPO operations. Every one of them require doing something with your hand and your ability to visualize a product and or a service.
In 2008, when a review of the skill development efforts in the country was done, it was felt that we need to involve the private sector in skill development, because if India were to realize the demographic dividend, it was necessary to take the skill development capacity in India from 3.1 million that existed at that point of time to about 50 million people a year. And therefore, the private sector was needed to play a key important role, and the National Skill Development Corporation was formed as a public-private partnership with the three major chambers, which is ASSOCHAM, CII and FICCI, and 7 sectoral associations. It was set up with the specific purpose to involve the private sector in skill development, create an ecosystem for skill development in the country.
The mission that we are on, in terms of numbers, is 150 million people to be trained by 2022. What it will achieve for the country is India can become a superpower of human resources. Indian population, the youth that's joining the workforce, is increasing day by day, and India's population is becoming younger day by day. So the youth of tomorrow will be able to get a job on the basis of outcome-based training that's being imparted by the training partners.
The skill development initially was thought as being setting up a training institution, getting people into the classroom, training them and giving them jobs. But in actual practice, it is not a skill development agenda at all. It is a social transformation agenda. One of the biggest challenges was the ability for the young people to have hands-on experience. If you have to repair an automobile, you need to be able to assemble and disassemble engines. If you need to actually work in a retail store, you should know what a retail shelf looks like, what are the different products, what is stocking, where is the store. So in the earlier education system, most of it was theory. In jest, you could actually learn swimming without getting into the swimming pool. So the idea of getting the practical oriented and work-based oriented training was that the moment anybody leaves the training institute, he or she is at home in the working environment and knows how the day in the job actually is and what is expected of the person on the shop floor or at the point of work. The way we would like this TVC to be actually structured, which shows all the stakeholders, one, the utility of a certificate, the ability to progress with a certificate, the greater productivity of the certificate, of companies recognizing people and paying more with the certificate, and then it creating a whole impact on society.
तेरे अंदर तेरी मंजिल, तेरे अंदर तेरे रास्ते, तेरी किस्मत तेरे हाथों, चुन ले अपना सफर सफर। तेरा हुनर हुनर, तेरी कदर कदर, तेरा हुनर हुनर, तेरी कदर कदर, तेरा हुनर हुनर, तेरी कदर कदर, तेरा हुनर हुनर, तेरी कदर कदर।
This TV commercial is about getting respect for skill.
तेरा हुनर हुनर।
Okay, done, cut. Move on. Very nice. Chalo, cut one more quickly. Rahul, idhar aa.
हेलमेट निकाल हेलमेट। अब सुबह पे हक जता ले। बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया।
हुनर है तो कदर है, and that's what this is wanting to establish in Indian society. We started off very logically. We first got a research commission to find out what does the Indian youth require, what is it they're looking for, what is it that you want to see from skilling. Having taken those feedback in, then we started giving a brief to the agency to develop this. O&M and our research agency Millward Brown Firefly, they worked very closely in giving their feedback and sharing feedback and coming up with this TV commercial.
So when NSDC first met with us, and it's been a long courtship period, we've actually been together on this journey for over 2.5 years. But from the beginning, they were clear that they had a very great vision, but didn't very well know on how to go about it and making this happen from a consumer behavior change perspective. So that's where they came to us.
Brief is basically to motivate those who kind of accept an existence just because there was no opportunity, and this is an opportunity for them to skill themselves and get better.
So the message had to be first and foremost very, very simple. So that made simplicity as the key thing that we needed to deliver in our communication.
The next job was to freeze the television commercial script. Ogilvy came up with about half a dozen scripts, and many of them were either shot down or felt that it did not adequately meet our communication requirements, and finally narrowed down to 3 scripts, and then out of these 3 scripts we chose one.
When you first read the script, I really thought the idea was very interesting. It was about real people and it was about struggle, strife, something happening in real India. So I thought it was very interesting, and I immediately wanted to be a part of this project.
One is about a young man and another is about a young woman. Both basically deal with the fact that here are these youngsters who are wanting to get ahead in life and they don't know what they want to do, like all youngsters. And then they see an ad for NSDC and then they go to the counseling center and how their lives change after that.
The trickiest part in this exercise has been TG selection, because while we want certain individuals to come and join, but the task is not limited at that. Society itself does not see these jobs as really aspirational. So that was one aspect, that when we defined the TG, we defined it the individual and his ecosystem.
तेरे अंदर तेरी मंजिल, तेरे अंदर तेरे रास्ते, तेरी किस्मत तेरे हाथों, चुन ले अपना सफर सफर, तेरा हुनर हुनर, तेरी कदर कदर, तेरा हुनर हुनर, तेरी कदर कदर.
People start humming a song or get hooked onto a song. So that at times helps a lot because a song expresses and connects with people.
When I was briefed by NSDC and the director, the idea was to make an inspirational song which is yet modern, because India is growing and a modern economy today. So we tried to make it like a conventional inspirational song, but I tried to compose a piece of music which yet sounded modern and contemporary.
Thought of the campaign being हुनर है तो कदर है. अगर आपने you got a skill, it's your key to success, growth, prosperous future. So उसको we had to get it into a song. कहीं ना कहीं the words need to be simpler yet profound enough so that कम में ज़्यादा बात हो जाएगी. In such cases, less is more.
It had that upbeat, hopeful sort of a feeling, and yet it didn't sound like an average Rara anthem that, you know, we'll do this and we'll do that. It had something cool about it.
This TV commercial will actually help our training partners mobilize trainees to come to their institutes and get trained in vocational courses which are short-term, which are job-oriented, and it will give them a job.
I had spent 4 days in both Pune and Bombay, overseeing the production and making sure that everything is going as per plans, and it is pretty impressive work. The level of professionalism and the level of commitment to details that they bring to the table. Biggest award that we can ever think of getting through this commercial is to see people of the age group we are targeting, the young youth of India, to actually come into the system, get a skill, get a better life, and actually help in building the new India.
कदर है।